To use circular sketch pattern in SolidWorks, let's draw a sketch and okay, give dimension to the diameter, the circle. Let's say we want something small, 200. Okay, good. So you can now zoom it and let's drag the dimension closer. Okay, so zoom. Good. Oh, okay. Which entity do we want to pattern? Probably a circle also. A smaller diameter. Inscribe. Okay, sorry. Let's say 20 mm. And then let's define the distance from here. Say probably 3. Then define the position to fully define it. So yep, we have it changed in color. That is, it is fully defined. Good. So come to sketch tab and then click the arrow here, circular sketch pattern. This is which circle are you do you about which circle do you want to pattern here? Do you want to duplicate your pattern? You can click this point, but I don't think it is selected. So just pick this line and this point is going to be selected. So what do I want to pattern? I want to pattern this. See, we have 4 of them because that was what we have inside here. So let's say I want 6. I can increase the numbers. So we have the 6 of them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus the base geometry that I want to pattern. Now we have more options here about 360-degree. If I don't want it to be about 360-degree, I can say 270. So you see, stopping around here, and we have equal spacing. Can change the dimension radius. So let's uncheck that. If you don't want it to be equally spaced, uncheck this and then dimension angular spacing to be checked. So let's leave that for now and equal space then. So instance to skip, probably you want to skip an instance, but before I explain that, let me demonstrate what we have. I'll click OK. So this is what we have. We don't have it equal. We don't have it up. We don't have it at this side because we selected the angle to be 270 degrees, not 360 degrees. So to change it to 360 degree, just come circular sketch pattern, click this line, and then delete this. Click this as what you want to pattern. So then click OK. It has been changed to uh 360 degree. So number of instances can increase it to 6. And you see we have our circle here. So that's how to pattern your sketch in a circular pattern. So I'm going to end the tutorial right here. Thank you for watching.